Guys, we just arrived at the best upscale Desi restaurant in the Bay Area. This is gonna be the experience that you're gonna wanna watch. We are here at Safar by Karimi. Let's go, baby. Right here in the pastry section, we got an appetizer coming out. We got Patachar. We start off with the spiced potato here, spiced nuts here, chickpea, cracker. I like that. Okay. Oh, I love that. I can smell the spices coming right up there. Diced red onions going on right on top right there. Tomatoes here we got. Oh, chaat masala powder. Okay. Chili powder. Okay, cool. Ooh. Wow, beautiful. All of the elements for this appetizer is unbelievable. Rose chutney, oh, I love that. Wow, I've never had that before. Hey guys, it's not even close to being done. Holy moly. This yogurt foam. Gonna put more of the masala powder on top. Unbelievable, wow. And there's hidden treasure right inside. The amount of texture and layer to this is insane. Soft rice texture here. Ever seen anything like this? No. Where are you gonna find something like this? Anywhere in the Bay Area. Holy moly, look at this. Good job, chef. Look how great this is. I can't wait to taste it. I've never in my life seen anything like this. Unbelievable. By ice? Yeah. I mean, like this? Why am I not surprised? So it's gonna be all smoky when it gets to the table. So the presentation, because they put water. And then they pour the water. And then they pour the water at the table. We better take this to the table before I eat it. This looks great. We got KFC, but we got Safar KFC. Go ahead, finish it off for me, man. You got curry leaf masala going on top right there, and then you go ahead, nice little shake. Wow, I'm so excited to taste this. Look how beautiful this is. I can feel the crunch right at my fingertips. Safar really has it down. Oh my God. Wow. Wow. What are you guys doing in here? Unbelievable. Rogan Josh today. Line the pan with some oil. Garlic ginger paste on hot heat here. We're throwing in some Kashmiri chili powder in there. Look at that. Braised goat going in. Oh wow. I can definitely smell the fennel. Some salt, okay. Fresh squeezed lime, look at that. Fresh squeezed lime, bottled lime juice or lemon juice. You're not gonna get the real tartness from that. Garam masala, a little more garam masala spice in there, okay. Ooh. As you can see, they make their naan from scratch. It's going right into this fresh tandoori oven. You can hear the cracking. Just look at that. Just like this, from scratch. I'm so excited to taste this, guys. Oh. Good is like an understatement. I can't even talk, it's so good. We're here with master mixologist Raphael at Safar by Karimi. Are you ready to go?
Absolutely.
Let's do this, man. Make me the best
Kokam Shockwave.
Kokam Shockwave.
You ready, guys? We're gonna get curry leaves, right? We're gonna muddle them.
Curry leaves, I almost got shocked.
Some mint, fresh.
Okay, we got mint in there.
To make it a little refreshing. A little pinch of cumin. A little pinch, you know.
A little pinch, all right.
A little flavor. Black salt. Yeah, black. Boom.
Are we making a dish or a drink?
It's a drink, my brother.
I'm excited. Let's go. Okay.
Wait until the end, man.
All right,
wait until the end. That'll be bumpy, right? It'll be like, oh, what the hell? Okay. Anyhow, check it out. We're gonna put some fresh squeezed lemon. I'm gonna get a little bit more, right? Ooh, get a little crazy though. Check it out. We have a spiciness. Serrano pepper though.
Serrano pepper.
We're gonna do just a quarter of it, and we're muddling right now.
We're gonna muddle all those flavors together with the ice. Kind of get everything kind of together.
I'm gonna add some kokam to it.
So kokam is a sour plum that you can find in the coastal regions of India. I mean,
sir.
I've never seen it in a drink. I don't think I've ever seen it in San Jose. I'm so excited for this. Look at the thickness of that.
So just gonna muddle it one more time. There we go, my brother.
All right, let's go, baby. Yeah, shake it up, Raphael. Yes.
It
smells amazing.
Right. You see how thick it is? Nice and thick.
Sprite
halfways, all the way up there.
Look at the precision of this drink.
Check it out.
Oh, I love that. Dehydrated fruit. I love that.
Mint as well. Oh. We're gonna do this.
What are we doing right now?
We're gonna smoke it right now.
We're gonna smoke it too?
With the flavor.
Oh my God.
Yeah, more flavor to it though.
Oh, check it out. Baby. Has you guys ever seen this before? Have you seen a drink, a mixed drink done like this? Mocktail. This is the Shockwave right here, baby. This is the Shockwave. Let's go.
Goes to the table.
Kokam Shockwave. Kokam Shockwave. Look at that. Holy smokes.
The experience and the flavor.
Holy smokes, baby.
There we go.
Wow.
No one else. Only
Rafael.
Safar. My
Wow.
brother.
Wow. Okay, wait. I gotta try this.
Ching it is.
I am so excited for this.
Stir it a little bit. A little bit.
Stir it a little bit? Okay.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh yeah, we gotta mix around the kokum. Sour plum in there. Oh yeah. Oof.
What do you think? What do you think, brother?
That's gotta be like the best,
right?
The best drink I've ever had. I'm not even joking. I'm not saying this for the video. This is unbelievable. The flavor's unreal. The complexity of this drink, level to level to level. It never ends. It's still sitting in my palate. I feel it. You are a mad scientist,
Thank you,
Rafael.
brother.
Oh my
Thanks a lot,
God.
brother. Thank you. Appreciate you.
Wow. Burnt chili chicken lollipops, guys. Wow, that's really good. They put a little sweetness in there, and I kind of like that. It's different. It's different from most chili chicken that I have. Guys, I got a mocktail bigger than the Himalayan mountains right here. Himalayan Saga. Sour apple-tini there.
Apple-tini.
Oh my God.
That's good. It's good.
I cannot wait to taste this. The texture's a little heavy. There we go. Their food is better than their drinks, and their drinks are incredible.
You try some of this.
It is unbelievable. You can tell he loves it. A Bihari butter chop. Their appetizer portion of lamb chops. I'm gonna put some lemon that is served with it. Cheers to this great meal, yeah. The lamb is incredible. It is very tender. The marinade on there, it doesn't feel too coated. Really good.
Good.
Very delicious. Oh, drinks just get better and better as we go. Got sag burrata, vegetarian dish here. Go ahead and cut this up. For my bread basket, this is roti here that I have. Just wonderful. Oh, it's super light and earthy. It's delicious.
I don't eat veggies. I'm waiting for the meat.
Chili cheese naan. Just look how beautiful this is. Look at the cheese pull. Flavor is unmatched. You should definitely taste that. Tremendous flavor. Just look at that. Bismillah. You don't come here for anything else. You come here for the chili cheese naan and the goat curry. That's it. And I'm gonna get some of the goat here. But just look at that. The best Desi food in the Bay Area right here. What is going on right now? Incredible. Cannot be replicated. Well done. 5 stars. Look how beautiful this is. Pistachio lava cake with kulfi ice cream on the side. White chocolate, actually, that's in there. Holy moly. I'm gonna scream at the top of my lungs of how freaking good that is. Really good. So we got the mocha tres leches, South Indian filtered coffee. That just seriously woke me up. Cheers. HalalFest Food Reviews, we're here for you. Safar by Karimi, the best Desi fine dining halal restaurant anywhere in the Bay Area, on the West Coast. We want to see y'all here.
Let's go.